So for number 3, it gives us the information area of the triangle 60. Show that. Okay. So this we just have to use the basic formula of the triangle area, half times base times height. The base is 2x plus 5 times the height x plus 3 equals to 60. And then from here, we have to expand it and make it become equals to 0. So, okay, the 2, I will just move it, times it there. And then this, I will times it, I will expand it. So we got 2x squared plus 6x plus 5x plus 15 equals to, this is 120. And then 120, I move it there. So here I will get 2x squared, this and plus it. So become plus 11x. 120 move become minus 120. So become minus 105 equals to 0. So it's proof. And then it asks you to solve it. So, okay, after this, I need to solve it. Let me see. I can solve it. This should be 3. So still, how about 5? Okay. 21. This is 5. This is 21. Yep. Minus. So I want to get positive. So the minus should be, so this is 2x plus 21. X minus 5 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 21 over 2. X equals to 5. So that is for the II. And then calculate the angle ACB. ACB. So it asks us to find the angle this ACB. So okay, let us input the value first. X equals to 5. X equals to the minus is not included because the length cannot be minus. So this we do not use. Use x equals to 5. So this should be 2 times 5 plus 5 equals to 15. This is 5 plus 3. So this is 8. Okay, so I want to find this. I will use basic trigonometry. This should be use tan. This is theta. Tan theta equals to opposite of 15 over adjacent. Adjacent is 8. So theta equals to, I got about 62 degrees. So that is for the III. And now we go to the next one. For the B, triangle ABC is similar to DF. Oh, okay. I think I have to draw it first. CAB, this is just now it is 10, this is 8, this is 62 degrees. Okay, let us scroll it down. So similar to DF, the area, this is 90 degrees. Find the smallest angle of the triangle DF. So this 90 degree. Okay. If similarity, it means the composition of the angle are same. So that one is 62, this is also 62 degree. So the other one is 180 degree minus 90 degree minus 62 degree. So it will have 28 degree. So this is 28 degree. 8 degree. Find the length of the shortest side of the triangle. So you have to know the shortest side. Usually the opposite have the smallest have the smallest angle. So it asks you this DE. Let us say DE. Oh, okay, I will write down this is Y. Okay, so for this, I think we need to use ratio. Just now we got the area of the ABC. It is half times 8 times 15. This 4. Oh, 60 degree. And then this, the DF, we have the area, it is 93.75 centimeters square. So, okay, let us find the area ratio first. Area ratio equals to this 60, 93.75. So here I will get 60 divided by 3.75. So I got 16 ratio to 25. This is area ratio. We have to find the length ratio. Length ratio, we just have to square root it of the area ratio. So square root 16, square root 25. So it's 4 ratio to 5. Okay, and then we have to find this, right? And then we compare it with 8, the smallest length. So it should be 4 over, but 5 over 4 times with the 8. So we shall get this is 10. So the length of the shortest is 10 centimeters. So that is for the B. Okay, now number 4. Number 4, we have this. And write down the interval containing the median. Okay, now number 4. Number 4, it asks us to find the median interval. So here we have 80. So we need to know which frequency of the median. So remember, we have to plus it with 1 first and then divide by 2. So 81 divided by 2. So it's the member of 40.4. Frequency of 40.4. Or it is between 40 and 41. So 2 times 13, it is 15. 15 times this, it is 39. 39, of course, this. So this one should be the median. So 1.65 and then 1.8. And then calculate the mean height. Okay. So for the mean height, we have to find first the middle of class. So this 1.2, 1.4 should be 1.3. This is 1.4, 1.4, 1.45. This should be 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.65 to 1.575. And 1.65 plus 1.8 divided by 2. 1.725. 1.725. And then this is the middle should be 1.85. Okay, to find the mean, so we times with the frequency. So 1.3 times 2 plus 1.45 times 13 plus 1.575 times 24 plus 1.725 times 32 plus with 1.85 times 9. And then divided by the total frequency is 80. So, okay, this is how much? So 1.3 times 2 plus 1.5 times 13 plus 1.45 times 13 plus 1.575 times 24 plus 1.725 times 30 plus 1.8 times 9 and then divided by 90. Sorry, divided by 80. So I got 1.63875. So that is the mean. And then from the B, one of the children is chosen at random. Calculate the probability that they have a high 1.4 or less. 1.4 or less should be only this. So it should be 2 over 80. Or it is 1 over 40, the probability. That's for the BI. And then for the II, 2 children are chosen at random. Calculate the probability that both children are taller than 1.5, but only one of them. So for this II, only one of them is taller than 1.8. So it should be 9 over 80 times with, after we already chosen it, the other one should be the rest one. So it should be 24 plus 32. We already take 1 from here, so become this 8. So it should be 4 plus 32 plus 8. So it should be 64. So 64 over 79 because we already take 1 previously. So it should be this one if we times it, 9 over 80 times 64 over 70. So we got it is 36 over 395. So that's for the II. Probably the cumulative frequency for this. Oh, okay. So the cumulative frequency we have 5. So okay. So first is 2, and then of course this will become 15. This is 39. 39 plus 2, 71, and then 80. Okay. So that is for the cumulative frequency. So we can make the cumulative frequency here. Before 1.4, it is 2. It's around here. If it's not precise, so sorry, because it's very small. And this is 15. 15. 15 is around here. And then 39 should be around here. And then 71. 71. Sorry. Oh, not 1.6. 1.65. 1.65. It was 39 here. Then 71. 71 is 1.8 around here. And 1.9 is 80. Yes. So if we want to plot it, okay. So I think that's it. So we have to find the interquartile range for the I. So we have to find the Q3 and Q1. So, okay, we have to find the Q1 first. Q1, we use 1 over 4 times with 80. So it should be 20. So from 20, on 20 frequency, we drag it to the right, and then we drag it down, and then we rate the value how much. It's about 1.52, yeah. Yeah, I think so. 1.52. And then for the Q3, use 3 over 4 times 80. So it should be 60. So we do the same thing. We drag it at from 60 to the right. Then we drag it down. That is about 1.76, I think. 1.76. So the interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. So it's 1.76 minus 1.52. 76 minus 1.5. So it is 0.24. And then it asks us to find the 60 percentile. So we just have to do 60%. So 60 over 100 times with the total frequency 80. This. So we got it is 48. So the frequency of 48. We do 48 is here. Then we drag it to the right. And then we drag it down. This one I get 1.7. Maybe it will be 1 point something, but for me I got 1.7. Okay, that is for the II. Okay, I will not clean it first. Maybe there's another question. Oh, no more. Okay, good. Okay, now we go to number 5.